Hi friends, it's me Swastik, and today I'm going to teach you how to download and install Python for your Windows 10 PC, 32 or 64-bit. So what I'm going to do right now is open my browser, and I'll provide the links in the description below. I want you to open python.org. This is where you get the Python interpreter, and it will be in downloads. And if you want Windows, Mac OS, whichever one you want, I will prefer you go here and check the version. Do not download. I'm not saying do not download, just 3.8 is very new, so like lots of modules are not really available for 3.8, so you can download 3.6 or something, and Python 2 also you can download, but it'll get discontinued, so I don't know. You can download whichever version you want from here. I will go and download 3.7.5. That's the latest, I guess. You can see here at least. Scroll down. Okay, this is 64-bit, and this is, wait a minute, this is wrong for some reason. Let's not go there. Right here, this is 32-bit. Okay, into 86 is 32-bit, and 64 is actually 64-bit. So I have a 64-bit computer, so I'll download the 64-bit one. If you have a 32-bit one, you can download it. There's no problem, not much difference, no difference actually. And as well, you can get like the Mac OS versions. Download an exe I'll recommend because it's easier to download. So I'll click on this, and this is my browser, so it downloads it here. I'll wait for some time because it takes some time to do it, downloading it. So next I'll move on to which, what do you call that, the text editor. If you want a text, I'll recommend two things. One is an IDE. You could use the IDLE of the Python. I don't really like to use that. I like to use Sublime Text. Okay, I'm going to show you what this is. sublimetext.com. I'll provide the links in the description below again. And this is a very good text editor for programming because it's like it pleases your eye. It's really good to code in this. So I'll find Sublime Text download. It is free. It is not free completely, but you can download it for free. So version 3, this is this one. And you can go to Windows 64-bit. This is only available for 64-bit, but you can use Python ideally if you are using 32-bit. So I'll click on this one. It'll download Sublime Text for me. I don't really want it because I already have Sublime Text. I'll just show you why Sublime Text is so good. This is some tutorial.py. Okay, this is just a .py file I opened. Instead, what I'll do is, because it's a tutorial, it's a .py, I will actually close this file and just saved it. Close the file. You know what, I'll just show you. So as you can see, Python, I will say import, I will increase the size a little bit for you guys. Import random, and I also have kite installed. I will tell you about that a little later. I'll just define some function. You just see how it looks. It's good. Define, add. This looks good in general. Look, it just looks good. It's easier to code in this. It's also the dark mode, so it's easier. Okay, let's see if Python has downloaded. It has downloaded, and I'll also show you can download it from here. You can click on this, and there is PyCharm. This is an IDLE. This is an IDE. PyCharm. It's called JetBrains.com. JetBrains. I'll provide the links again in the description below. JetBrains.com, and it's actually /PyCharm, I guess. Yeah. And also there is Kite that helps you a lot in auto completion of your work. I will talk about that a little later. I'll not talk about it in this video. I'll talk about it in some other video. So this is going to start. So as you can see, I downloaded Python. You can install Python. I will install Python for you guys. I had it uninstalled because I'm using Anaconda right now. That is too complicated for you guys, so I'll just click on this here, and let's wait here, and there you go. So this installation, you make sure you add it to path because it's really important, and then you can install now. It installs pip, IDLE, and the documentation. You can click on install now. It will install it for you guys, and I'll just cancel right now because I don't want to do it. Yes. Okay, this is PyCharm. You can see here. 1 second, let me find PyCharm. I'll go actually / PyCharm here. Oh god. Okay, so this is where PyCharm is. I'll show you about it. I'll show you here. As you can see, PyCharm. PyCharm you can download from here. It is a IDE for professional development. You can download it for free as well by going to download, and then the community edition you can download for free. So as you can see, you can download the professional version, but it's a free trial. You could buy it if you wanted to. This is for pure Python development. You can just use this and it'll download as well. So I am using I have PyCharm installed already, and I will be showing you guys the stuff, the tutorials in the later videos in PyCharm most probably, or I might be doing it in Sublime Text as well. So I want you guys to download this or Sublime Text, whichever one you want, and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll upload that video like sometime later. Thank you guys for watching again. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Goodbye.